I have one more announcement. In preparation for our next unit, which will be beginning next week, our final unit on research and argument, one of the librarians at Germanna is hosting a tutorial session, an information session, if you will, on how to navigate and use and access and utilize the library databases, which you need to do for your research paper. It's all about researching and the ways that the library can help you achieve your research goals. That session is being offered via Zoom, and you are required to attend one of those sessions. There are two opportunities. One is, well, there's actually three. One is July 8th at 11 a.m. and the other is, again, on July 8th at 6 p.m. And that is an opportunity for you to be there. I will be there, and you will be there. And if those times don't mesh well with your schedule, please email me privately, and we can discuss another alternative. But I will be providing the information for those sessions in this announcement as well. But I kind of wanted to explain before just throwing it out there. So let me know if you have any questions about that.